Thank you for coming back to Healthy Eating and Home Remedies channel. In this video we will learn about the benefits of the Detox Berry Smoothie. This mixed berry detox smoothie is the perfect drink to detox your body. It will improve your metabolism and make your liver work with maximum efficiency. This smoothie is super healthy. It's packed with a lot of good nutrients such as fibers, antioxidants, vitamins, amino acids, calcium, iron, manganese, magnesium, zinc, folate, selenium, potassium, omega-3 fatty acids. Plus this smoothie contains a special phytochemical known as anthocyanin. Research shows that anthocyanin can work as an antioxidant to reduce cancer cells from spreading as well as stop the formation of tumors. When you cleanse your body from toxins, that can help you on weight loss, heartburn, digestive problems like gas and bloating, acne and other skin problems, pains, fatigue. Just to become healthier, try this berry detox smoothie. Ingredients: half cup mixed berries, half lemon, peeled 1 handful of parsley, half green apple, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, coconut water 12 ounces. Blend everything together and enjoy. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and share.